How to export Hyper-V virtual machines in Windows. Need to move, backup, or share your virtual machines? In this video, we'll walk you through how to export a Hyper-V virtual machine in Windows, step by step. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What is Hyper-V? Hyper-V is Microsoft's virtualization platform that lets you run multiple operating systems on one physical machine. Exporting a VM means creating a reusable, standalone copy of it. This is essential for collaborating with team members or vendors, creating backups or test snapshots, migrating between servers, and duplicating test environments. Preparing to export Hyper-V virtual machines. Before exporting your VMs, make sure your Hyper-V host is up and running. You'll also need enough free disk space on your export destination and administrative privileges on the host. These are essential to avoid common issues, like permission and incomplete exports. How to export Hyper-V virtual machines in Windows. Here are the steps to export Hyper-V VMs in Windows using either Hyper-V Manager or PowerShell. Let's go over the first method. Start by opening Hyper-V Manager and selecting the VM. Make sure it's in the off or saved state. Next, right-click the VM and select Export. Choose a destination folder and wait for the export to finish. Larger VMs may take more time. If you'd rather use PowerShell, use the following command to export all VMs or to export a specific VM. Make sure to replace the folder paths and VM names accordingly. Verifying Hyper-V virtual machine exports. Once the export process is complete, open your export folder and check for all critical files like .vhdx and .vmcx. Then import the VM on another host using the Import Virtual Machine wizard to confirm it boots and runs properly. Best practices for exporting virtual machines. Use dedicated export folders with clear names and timestamps. Regularly export business-critical VMs. Always test exports before production use. Use reliable storage media like NAS, and document export details like VM name, date, and destination. To conclude, exporting VMs is a key skill for IT professionals managing Hyper-V environments, as it ensures VM portability and flexibility. For more information, check out our official blog post on exporting Hyper-V VMs, linked in the description below.